The expectations are very high. They look at me as a savior of women's professional basketball. As I stand up on that stage and shake hands with the president, as I exit the stage, I see my grandmother, and I see tears of joy coming down her face. As I approach her, she hands me an old tattered letter, and that letter reads, "When I grow up, I will be the first girl to play in the NBA." All I could do was smile, and then I said, "Gosh, Grandma, you're nosy. You're always going through my things." But I was really excited that she saved that letter for me. See, me and my grandmother have a special relationship. She's like a mom to me. When you have a mom who's passed out on park benches drunk, or a dad who's schizophrenic who tells you he's going to chop you up and put you down in an incinerator, only thing you want to do is feel normal. Sports and my grandmother's support and her strength made me stand straighter. You know, it made me walk a different way. Her telling me it's gonna be okay, that Chamique, you're not this environment around you, that you can go on and accomplish great things. And I ran with that, and I had a village. You know, I was telling these kids today, you know, I know a lot of them come from tough backgrounds, but it's not where you are right now, it's where you're going. And when I looked around, I saw this all amazing people that was there to support them and love them, and they're really, really lucky. And for all of you that are here, you're all change agents because you care. My grandmother, yes, she made me feel normal. She gave me structure. She gave me structure, she taught me discipline, and most of all, she showed me unconditional love. My grandmother, she didn't really care about basketball. She just wanted me to go to college, graduate, and she said, "I know you get 5, but you better graduate at 4 and you can't come back here." But she would be proud of me because from day one, my grandmother, when I got baptized later in life, and they burnt my hand when I got baptized, like the candle burnt on my hand. And we're Lutheran, and I remember Pastor Myers telling me, "Chamique, your hand is going to be anointed." He goes, "Whatever you do, we're going to do with your hands." And my grandmother remembered that. And when I was younger, she's like, "You know, you're going to be special, something with your hands." And so I got good at basketball. And she said, "I was praying for that all the time." But she was like, "You know what? Basketball is just a tool. Basketball is just a tool. You're going to use this to get an education. You have to utilize this." She goes, "These people are going to take from you, but you have to walk away with something." And so now it was like, voila, basketball was a tool. I used it. It gave me a platform. It gave me a platform in which I can advocate and help others. Now, don't advocate for mental health. Yes, that's a disease. I mean, not a disease, but illness that I struggle with. And it's also a disability. And so I'm able to advocate for the disabled. I'm able to talk to people about overcoming obstacles. And so I found myself just spreading the word and just really trying to help people. And it's like I took it full circle from, almost like day one when I would complain about, "Oh, we got to go to the church again to help." Like I can't go outside and play, but that's the way I was raised. And it feels good to see, like, man, she's not here, but I'm like the second coming of my grandmother.